家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to another Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美長。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. We are taking you from one place to another this whole month because it's all about transportation. 整个月呢都跟交通有关哈。
对。
那我觉得其实有一个东西叫做火车站或者是高铁站，
很重要，
很重要，尤其要远路的话哈，那更需要了。今天来教火车站。How do you say train station?
有两种讲法，火車條、
火車條、
火車站、
火車站。For instance， 尤其台湾现在很多那种共购，
对，
很方便，对不对？有捷运，有火车，又有高铁，
没有错，全部都在一起，就在台北火车站。
是一个四铁共购嘛，对不对？台北 station is actually a hybrid station. How do you say that?
台北火車條，
台北火車條，
係西鐵共購，
係西鐵共購，共購就是共购的意思哈。四鐵 four railways together. There's two MRTs and then there's one high-speed rail and one train station. Okay, how about this phrase? The train station is always the center of transportation. 各地的火车站大多是交通的中心哦。
各地嘅火車條，
各地嘅火車條，
但是係交通中心。
但是係交通中心，就是交通 transportation hub or transportation center. Let's review some of the phrases we brought up, including a hybrid station or a hybrid structure, 共购，
共購，
共購 and then a center, 中心，
中心，
中心 or a hub. And finally, the train station, 火车站，
火車條，
火車條。然後另外一個說法是火車站。
對。
And there you have it, learning more about transportation in Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
俺子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.